Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can export an image in Adobe Photoshop app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Photoshop app. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, now we have to choose the image, that which image you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one image. So let's click on this. And after choosing this image, as you can see, it will take few seconds or few minutes in loading the image. It's up to your device configuration. If your device will be good, it will take less time. So for example, I'm going to apply a few settings like this one. I'm going to apply this one, and let's increase this. And now simply I'm going to apply this one as well. And now let's increase this. And now simply I'm going to scroll this. And after scrolling this, as you can see, some other options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that, like stickers, borders, and eyes. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this arrow. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, the image will be saved in your gallery. If you want to export this, you have to click on this share icon. And after clicking on the share icon, as you can see, you are going to get all the options here, like the PS Express, PS Express, PS Express. These all are formats are provided here, and where you want to share this, and this you want to save this in a gallery, WhatsApp, Instagram feed, and other options are provided here, and the library and the Lightroom, and all options are provided here. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So in this way, you can export an image in Photoshop app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.